Hi folks, so another lovely van to show you here, and this time it's the 2020 70 registration Peugeot Partner Professional, the 1.5 BlueHDI 100 horsepower, and is in exceptional condition. This van has covered just 22,000 miles, terrific history. MOT'd away until the end of September 2026, and it's the high-spec professional model with a host of features on it, including rear park assist there, as you can see, the dual passenger seat in this, with it being the professional spec as well, air conditioning, cruise control, front driving lamps on these models as well, power folding mirrors on this. Really fantastic vans these. Has this multimedia screen here that you can connect through with your telephone, and DAB radio on there as well. There'll be a selection of photographs on our website vansalescotland.co.uk showing the seats folded down in their various different ways. I'm sure you'll agree, just as you would hope for 22,000 miles, exceptional condition. Spotless in the cabin area as well. If you would like to know any more details, just give us a ring on 01738 44 7733. Thanks again for watching.